Hello friend, A-Arduino. Today I try to learn to use my mini CNC 3018 CNC. I learn how to engrave. Use this machine to be engraving machine. The first thing that you have to understand the engraving. You need to use the engraving bit like this for engrave. Make a mark on your workpiece, something like this. So what I have done before I broke my tool a lot because we used wrong tool and with the wrong material. So this topic I do engraving, I have to use this bit. So this is the right tool for engraving. Okay, next I will show you how to use the eCell, the CNC program for generate the G code, and I use the GRBL controller for run the machine. Okay, let's go see the software, how it works. Let's go.
Okay, next I will explain how to use the eCell program. I have to prepare the software. I have to prepare the picture that I want to engrave. The next step, I have to import. Use this tool to import. And then I import image trace, and wait a little bit and we upload the picture. And then you go select your picture. The picture is, you have to understand the picture. It should be like the line or vector picture. Is something like this, is not too complicated picture. You have to easy picture and like a stress. This is my original picture, and you can use this tool for, you can take a look in the reason that after you make threshold and smoothing. You can make smoothing. Your line view like smooth and inward. This is inward and outline. Yes, something like this. You have to understand your engrave you cut in the black color. That means you have to understand. If you do like this, your engrave tool have to cut in the black color. You will take a whole day or a couple days. So what I want to do like this. Then I click import. Okay, I have another before. Okay, After you have this picture, and the next step, you have to know that how deep you want to cut down, and my deep is 1 millimeter. I have to cut down 1 millimeter. You have to thinking about your workpiece is, please think about is how thin it. Now I like to cut down just 1 millimeter, and this cut part you have to uh, know this, how if you click here, what is gonna happen with your your job. This is we will cut on in the gray, and if you select here, you cut in the gray like 8 of this your job. You can think about the gray that is the area that the your tool will cut. This is cut inside the shape part. Yeah, this is view. um you can check the reason it here and here, the simulator here, you can take a look. Yeah, you can click the simulator and you can check uh, how the machine work, and you can simulate, or you can click by your hand by manual. You can see the reason that the machine gonna do. This job will take about 3 minutes. So don't forget to make sure your work area here, it is my machine 300 and 200, but my machine just 180, but you have to make sure your job not over 300 and 180 work area. Cutting, this also important. You have to check here one part for machine. You know every part will not over 0.7 millimeter down. Make sure you not overload your machine. So next, you go to the machine and go to advanced here, advanced and generate G code and export G code here. When you have done, in your program will show in the left hand side here, like download, and I will bring this file, this G code file to run in the next step. This is my program. Okay, now I have G code program. After we get the G code file, we connect program with the machine, and then we choose file and then select file to run the machine. You will see the machine here. This visualization, this is the G code that you send to the machine to cut. You get the job like this. For this machine, first of all, you have to set the 0 position first. For the 0 position, I have another video with previous video. You can check before you run the machine. Make sure you set the position in the corner that is, you make sure it will be your corner like this. So I think today I have to finish the video for the engraving machine. I hope you guys, my friend, learn something. If you learn something and if you enjoy my video, please subscribe, like, share for support my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.